everybody? So today we're here with one of my buddies, M2's. This is Colby's car. It's got quite a bit of things done to it. So right off the bat, we're here with the engine intake, and then we got the aluminum charge pipe from BRSF, and then we also got this massive intercooler from BRSF, and then we got the MPE exhaust, no resonator, and then a 4-inch catless downpipe from BRSF as well. From BM3, our stage 2 tune, and all the burbles. It definitely got rowdy. That's where he gets his freaking Instagram name from. So also link his Instagram in the description. Valve is open on this MPE, so Jack's gonna rev it for us, give you guys an idea of what it sounds like. Oh my God. Yeah, this car. I don't get it. Oh, that intake sounds so cool. Oh my God. Holy shit. This thing has oversteer, if anything. Dude, this thing fucking eats.
The whole car seems so composed through all that.
Yeah.
And when it's not, you can clearly feel it.
God, that intake sounds cool. That sounds like how mine did.
That is insanely loud.
Yeah, it's so loud. Even in normal mode, the throttle's crazy. Like, it's the whole pedal's used on this. Like, I'm barely, you know how our cars have like a little bit of play?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the whole pedal's used on this. So yeah, M2 of this power level, stage 2 BM3, holy crap. It can't, like, if you had more power than this, I don't think it would be as fun as it is. I think mainly because, like, you're not spinning tire all the time, but you're still spinning tire quite a bit. But I think it's super balanced between weight and power, especially with the stage 2 tune. So if y'all are looking to do like anything else crazy to the M2, like an M2 comp with stage 2, I think it would spin too much. I think it wouldn't be balanced at all. So keep that in mind. So yeah, E30 was on this car before, but the stock fuel pumps weren't having it. He took E30 off the tune because it was just too much. So if you're gonna run E30, you need to do the upgraded fuel pumps for sure. They're so upset. Holy crap. You could probably still hear it.